Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video we will be discussing the Ethereum price action where it has been closing below this most important supportive line here on the daily candles. As well, we will be discussing the 4 hourly candles where we are seeing of course a new resistance line getting created here. And as well, we have been looking at the supportive box several times that we right now still trading on. As well, we will be looking at a potential W formation here getting formed here right now in the 1 hourly candles. What can be of course leading towards a price surge of an approximately $100. And as well, we will be at last going in towards the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. And as well, we will be talking a little bit about the institutional interest, because every single time that Ethereum is dropping towards lower levels, we are seeing huger and bigger amounts of accumulation going around here on the exchange flow. So guys, if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up these likes here. And of course, let me know in the comment section what you think of Ethereum. Are you still accumulating Ethereum, or do you think we're going to go to way lower targets? Let me know right now in the comment section, because I read every single comment that you guys place below this video. So guys, without further ado, let's go right away into the video. And let's start talking about the daily candles, because guys, we have been talking several times here about the daily uptrend that we have been getting created here for the price action of Ethereum. And yeah, you can see this level here of support has been providing us, has been acting like a magnet basically, because you can see every single time we increase from this level, we get attached and we get pulled back towards the supportive line. But right now, yesterday, we broke below it, and this is of course a quite bearish signal, and this can be of course signifying that we're not holding on anymore towards the uptrend, and this can be of course leading to potential prices around the $1,950. So yeah, this is not necessarily looking extremely good here, but of course, if I'm going to talk about a little bit of the lower time frame, I'm seeing some bullish signals right now unfolding. So this is quite exciting to see here. It can definitely still re-enter, but personally, I do think if we're going to have a retest of this level around the 2200 and $2,340, it will be providing a lot of resistance. So yeah, definitely want to keep your eyes out wide and open, because this is probably going to be a massive level that we want to be breaking through once again here, and it's not going to be an easy one as well. So yeah, as you can see as well here, the EMA ribbon, of course, ever since we have been trading below it, it has been providing us resistance along the way. And you can see here, last time we were spiking over here, where Bitcoin was of course trading on the 41K. You can see here Ethereum got massive resistance and even got pulled back further. So yeah, pretty unfortunate to see, but the daily candles are right now definitely not showing a lot of strength here in the charts, and this can be really leading to even lower prices in the daily candles for Ethereum compared to US dollar. So there are several things that I right now want to be looking at. And one of the most important things as well here is this downward slope or resist line here that we have been creating on Ethereum. You can see several times as well in previous trends here, we create these downtrends and we tend to break through them. And of course, after that, we always create volatility towards the upside. So yeah, in order for me to become a little bit more bullish in the immediate short term on Ethereum, I would like to see, of course, the trend line getting broken here. And we know, of course, that Ethereum was going oversold over here. And if we're going to create another lower low here, we're potentially, of course, going to create such a bullish divergence. So yeah, I do think the reversal is pretty close towards us. And yeah, if we're, of course, going to break through it, it will be, of course, leading towards some higher prices. And one of these reasons why I'm currently saying, yeah, we can be potentially see some higher prices getting created here is because of the 1 hourly candles, of course, creating a potential W right now with, of course, a clear higher low structure, as you can see over here. Clearly, we formed a higher low, and this higher low can be, of course, helping us to push up the price once again, like you can see over here, create a very beautiful uptrend on the 1 hour, and as well with a horizontal level of resistance, what we right now are getting rejected from, and this level is, of course, at $2,252. But if we can be breaking through this level, guys, we will be, of course, see right away another rise here of another significant $100 approximately. So yeah, if we're going to close the daily, if we're going to close the 1 hourly candle above it, we're going to see this rise of approximately 5% towards the upside. So yeah, personally, I'm looking forward towards this one, because this can be, of course, helping to push up the price a little bit here. And of course, if we're going to see that level getting broken here, guys, yeah, for sure we're going to break this downtrend as well here, and that can be leading towards some higher prices getting reached here. So let me as well enable the MACD here, because I do think it's very important to look at the MACD, like you guys already know here on the channel. So right now the MACD is of course having this bearish crossover phase getting started here, and ever since we were going down here. But right now as well, if we're looking to the MACD, you can see we have been forming a higher high on the MACD previously, and as well we have been forming a higher low here in standing pressure. So yeah, currently it is still looking bullish in terms of the MACD here. Right now, because we're cooling off as well, and the blue line is curving towards the upside, I do expect that we're going to see a bullish crossover anytime soon here, as well coming together with the 4-hourly RSI going oversold intent. Usually the 4-hourly oversold is giving us a signal to rather accumulate than sell right now here. So yeah, personally I do think that you want to be of course right now on the accumulation side rather than on the sell side. So yeah, it's going to be a quite exciting one, and I personally think, yeah, like I told you just a minute ago, that we are going to see a higher rises getting created here, because as well the momentum from the from the sellers is looking to cool off here, and the buyers are of course clearly entering the market here in the 4-hour. But of course, if we're talking about the daily, it's looking a little bit worse here. You can see clearly on the daily candles we've been starting a lower high as well with a lower low structure. So this is of course giving us a very, very big sell sickness right now. And on the daily candles we are seeing that the sellers are getting stronger and the buyers are getting exhausted. So yeah, that is pretty unfortunate to see here. But of course, usually it's first the 4-hourly candles that is of course going to give us a signal, and after that the daily follows. And of course right now as well with this 1-hourly candle, this 1-hourly candle is giving us a reversal structure. And this can be really helping us to push up the price in the immediate short term. So yeah, I'm personally really looking forward towards this one. Can't wait to see how this will be developing, and I will be taking this one for sure towards the upside. So as well, a thing that we have to be looking at here is the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. And the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation has been showing us a very, very interesting consolidation phase. So this consolidation phase is pretty exciting, because you can see over here the top side clearly providing resistance, the lower side clearly providing support, and this is of course giving us a consolidation of a symmetrical triangle, what can be of course leading towards higher prices if we're going to break out towards the upside. And of course, if we're going to break the lower side, this will be for sure driving prices even lower. So yeah, we really have to be keeping our eyes out on which direction it will be breaking towards. This drop-off can be meaning a 37% correction against Bitcoin. And if we're going to see a breakout towards the upside, that can be meaning a 31% increasement in valuation compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, volatility can definitely increase there in the price action of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. I most certainly love to see it, because I like volatility in the markets, and it is always giving us very good opportunities here to either trade it long or short. So yeah, I'm really looking forward towards this one. For sure, I will be trading at both sides here if we're going to see a breakout either direction. So as well, a thing that's very important to know here is what are the big players doing? What is, of course, the smart money doing? And what is going around here in the background? So currently what we can see over here is always once we're seeing these big spikes towards the downside, this means basically that the Ethereum is flowing out of exchanges. And we have been seeing a lot of accumulation going around here ever since, of course, Ethereum was, yeah, starting his bull run towards the upside. We have been seeing massive amounts of Ethereum getting accumulated. And right now, while we are dropping further, we are seeing only more and more and more Ethereum outgoing of exchanges. And because the Ethereum is outgoing of exchanges, guys, this is giving us a signal that there's accumulation going on here. And of course, always once there is accumulation going around here, you have to know and you have to be thinking, who can be this? And of course, it's quite a lot of Ethereum. This right now today already an approximately 90k Ethereum. But it's of course not only a few individuals. These are probably most likely as well institutions. And I know there's a lot of institutional interest in Ethereum, and you can see it really playing out here in the consolidation / accumulation phase that we're right now in here. So yeah, personally look really forward towards Ethereum. There's a lot of accumulation going around here, and always, guys, I say this always, is there a lot of accumulation, I will be buying. So yeah, I'm really looking forward towards what is going to play out here. I should definitely stay on the right side here. If the smart money is always accumulating on these drop-offs, why should you not be doing so? And always if we're increasing, guys, as you can see over here, we see of course yeah, the Ethereum going rather into the exchange than out of the exchange. So yeah, please, if the price is dropping, make sure to benefit from it. And in my opinion, guys, people are saying, okay, yeah, this is confirmed, Ethereum and Bitcoin, we're showing us a bull trap. But I mean, No, I'm not necessarily extremely bearish on Ethereum. I'm still feeling bullish of the market in general because there's so much blood on the street. There's so much fear, and people are using the whales are using the fear of maybe the death cross, etc., to create even lower prices. And we know the shorts are piling up very quickly. And the more shorts are getting active for as well Ethereum or Bitcoin, the more bullish I will become here. Because don't play with the majority of the people. Because if you're going to short the market right now here, if you're going to sell everything here, in my opinion, you're going to go to wreck city. So guys, this was a quick update video about the price action of Ethereum. Hopefully you love this video. Make sure to reward me with smashing up these likes, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in once again, and I will check you guys in the next one. Goodbye.